Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxtail broth. We'll start by selecting the best oxtail, ensuring a rich and gelatinous base for our broth. Then, we'll prepare a medley of aromatic vegetables, including carrots, celery, and onions, to build a complex flavor profile. Roasting these ingredients is a crucial step, deepening their savory notes before a long, slow simmer. This patient process, often taking 12 to 24 hours, extracts every ounce of deliciousness, resulting in a truly exceptional broth. First, let's get our oxtail ready. Rinse about 3 to 4 pounds of oxtail under cold water and pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step helps remove any impurities. Next, toss the oxtail pieces with 2 tablespoons of olive oil and season them generously with salt and black pepper. Arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast the oxtail in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Then add your chopped vegetables and roast for another 20 minutes until everything is beautifully browned. Now it's time for the magic of simmering. Carefully transfer your beautifully roasted oxtail and vegetables into a large, heavy-bottomed stock pot. Pour in about 12 cups of cold water, ensuring all the ingredients are fully submerged. This cold water helps to slowly extract the maximum flavor. Add your aromatics, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, and a fresh sprig of thyme. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 12 to 24 hours. After many hours of patient simmering, your rich oxtail broth is ready. Carefully strain the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into a large, clean bowl or another pot. Discard all the solids, including the bones and spent vegetables, as their flavor has been fully extracted. Once the broth has cooled, you can easily skim off any excess fat that has risen to the surface. Finally, taste and season your magnificent broth with salt to your preference. It's now ready to enjoy or store for future culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.